Hello and welcome to 7-Minute Cash Grab. I'm so glad you're here. Today I'm going to walk you through how to start your very own print-on-demand business. This isn't just about making money. It's about building something meaningful, something that reflects who you are. I want you to know that you're not alone on this journey. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. In the next few minutes, you'll discover everything you need to turn your ideas into a thriving online business. Whether you're a designer, a dreamer, or someone just looking for a new start, print on demand can be your path to financial independence and creative fulfillment. And here's the best part. You'll learn all this in just 7 minutes. So if you're ready to take that first step toward your dreams, let's dive in together. This business model allows you to create custom products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and many more without ever needing to stock inventory. Your items are only printed when a customer places an order, meaning you don't have to invest in products up front or worry about unsold stock. The beauty of Pod is its simplicity and low risk. It's a model designed for people like you, creative, resourceful, and eager to share something special with the world. With Pod, you can focus on what you love, designing and connecting with your audience, while the heavy lifting of printing, packaging, and shipping is taken care of by your Pod partner. Now, let's talk about one of the most crucial steps in your Pod journey, choosing your niche. Your niche is the heart of your business, the community you'll serve with your products. It could be anything that excites you, fitness, pets, a specific hobby, but what matters most is that it's something you genuinely care about. When you choose a niche you're passionate about, your business becomes more than just a way to make money. It becomes an extension of who you are, a way to connect with others who share your interests. This connection is what will drive your success. When people see the love and authenticity in your products, they'll want to be a part of it. To find your niche, start by reflecting on what you love. Then do a bit of research to see what's trending and where there's demand. But most importantly, think about the community you want to serve. When you build your business around people, not just products, you create something truly special. Next, let's bring your ideas to life with design. This is where your creativity takes center stage. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, remember that your design should come from the heart. They should reflect your niche and resonate with your audience. If you love designing, tools like Adobe Illustrator, CorelDRAW, Canva, and Procreate are great places to start. But if design isn't your strong suit, that's okay. You can find amazing freelance designers on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork who can help turn your vision into reality. What matters most is that your designs are unique and meaningful. Avoid the temptation to copy others. Instead, focus on creating something that truly represents your brand and speaks to your niche. When you put your heart into your designs, it shows, and your customers will feel that connection. With your designs ready, it's time to choose a print-on-demand platform. There are many great options out there, each offering different benefits. Whether you choose Printful for its quality and integration options, or Teespring for its built-in marketplace, or Spreadshirt, known for its customization options and international reach. Make sure to pick a platform that aligns with your goals and the products you want to offer. Take your time to compare factors like product quality, shipping times, and pricing. The right platform is the one that best supports your vision and makes it easy for you to deliver the best experience to your customers. Now that you've chosen your platform, it's time to set up your online store. This is where your business takes shape. If you're using Shopify, start by signing up, choosing a theme that fits your brand, and integrating your pod provider. For Etsy, you can connect directly with services like Printful and start listing your products right away. When you're listing your products, take the time to write descriptions that tell a story. Share why these designs matter to you and why they'll resonate with your customers. Use keywords thoughtfully, but don't lose sight of the human connection. People want to know the person behind the brand, so let your personality shine through. Marketing is how you'll share your passion with the world. Start by connecting with your audience on social media. Instagram and Pinterest are perfect platforms for visual products like yours. But remember, it's not just about posting. It's about engaging, sharing your story, and building a community around your brand. Consider running ads to reach a broader audience, but always keep your message authentic. Collaborating with influencers who genuinely align with your values can also help spread the word. And don't forget about email marketing. It's a powerful tool for staying connected and bringing your customers back for more. For more smart ways to boost your income, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 7-Minute Cashcraft. Your support helps us keep bringing you the best tips and strategies. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.